Alright guys, guess where I'm at? Yo, so I'm at the Hive right now, behind me. I haven't vlogged in a while, guys. Oh, you want Bangkok?
I went Bangkok I think 4 days ago. About maybe 4 months ago.
Anyway, guys, this is Ryan. He is a new friend of mine, which I met through another new friend of mine. And yeah, he schools at NTU. He's a first year. And he's just nice enough to show me around today. So hit Ryan up on his Instagram, I guess. I'll leave it there. And yeah, thanks Ryan if you're watching this. Thanks for showing me around. Guys, the thing of a Photoshop. Alright, okay, let's get some.
Then additional with some coding. So I'm actually year 1 sem 1, so I'm very fresh into it.
Holy,
Very fresh.
Alright, welcome to NTU like me.
Like you also. I mean, very similar.
I'm not in NTU. I'm a fraud. Look, I just like snuck in.
Yeah. Sticky me. Yeah. But okay, I mean, currently we're the Hive.
Right, describe the Hive, man.
Okay, so for NT students, Hive is mainly known for a lot of horror rooms. And then they're known for rooms that open very late. So it's very good to study here. Very good to study here at night. Okay? But during the day, it's very dark. Like, you see we're at level 1 now, right? You realize it's a bit like very like the light cannot flow properly. Yeah. So I would say they prioritize form over function. So it's a bit weird. But during the day it's a bit like dark, but at night is the best place to study. Because it's very bright, it's very central. And also there's a bus stop there that goes directly out of NTU. So it's the quickest way out.
Oh, are you asking me to come back at night?
I mean,
damn, I don't mind.
Because NTU it comes in one loop, so it comes in from the side there, but then it goes up from here. So it's almost the same place, so you cross over. So it's the second closest bus stop out.
Oh yeah, there's a bus stop conveniently just there.
Yeah, Yunnan is there.
Yeah. Which I didn't take. I took Grab.
Yeah. Wow, that was been, oh man. But
It's fine.
yeah,
It's fun.
welcome to our beautiful campus.
Alright, cool.
Is it?
Thanks, man. Right, let's go. Ryan just left me because he had to go to lecture. So I'm just like, I've been taking like architecture shots, as you guys saw. And wow, I'm free by myself. I don't know where else to explore, if I'm being honest. Guys, what the fuck? NTU is so beautiful. What the freak? This looks like Palm Spring. I don't know. Like, don't you guys agree with me? What the fuck? The inner kid in me is coming out. I don't know if I should play right now. I don't even know if I'm allowed to. I'm too new. I'm not allowed to play on this. Alright, at NTU, feeling so out of place. This is my first vlog in a while, but I'm having fun. This is what solo trips must be like. Oh shit, I always wanted to try this one. This shot I always wanted to try. Wait, hold on. Nice. I have, I thought I visited every part of Singapore already. But how the hell have I not visited NTU? Like, what the freak? This place is amazing. This place is lovely, but it's raining already. Time to stop. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. The first vlog in a long time. I'm editing right now, but I forgot to do a outro. So yeah, I'm just gonna say thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you haven't, like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, and I have a website coming up, so feel free to wait for it, look forward to it, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care, bye bye.